we are going to explore the optical properties of rutile. Under plane polarized light, the rutile grain appears in a shade of red to brownish red, exhibiting a very high relief. Its form may be detrital, subrounded, or even prismatic, with occasional euhedral pistils visible. Cleavage is indistinct, often showing two directions, and the grain displays distinct pleochroism, shifting in color as the stage rotates. Switching to crossed polarized light, rutile exhibits high-order interference color, most commonly reddish-white, red, brownish, or yellowish hues. It also shows a parallel extinction, meaning the light goes completely dark when aligned with the crosshairs. Those optical properties make rutile easy to identify in heavy mineral studies. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Earth Detective for more geology learning content.